So, any OR is going to be a little bit different based on the service line and, of course, the equipment that's being used. You think about a GI lab versus a cardiac OR versus certainly an ortho OR, which is going to be much louder. They all have a little bit of nuance difference. What I found, though, is that the noise is very minimal and honestly very negligible. And so I've never had a concern from an OSHA or an occupational health perspective about any decibel issues. It really integrates and blends fairly seamlessly into the perioperative and procedural area with any, minimal disruption, if that. I've also certainly used it in non-clinical settings as well, and you can barely hear the device running, so it's extremely quiet. Which I think is quite helpful, and when we think about integrating it in more of these very high risk settings, particularly in critical surgical settings.